9 out of 10 farmers make these mistakes when watering cucumbers. Check yourself. Cucumbers are a moisture-loving crop, buying almost 90% of water. However, improper watering can destroy your harvest or significantly reduce yields. Many farmers unknowingly overwater, underwater, or incorrectly fertilize their plants. Today, we will discuss the key watering rules that will revolutionize your cucumber cultivation. Common watering mistakes. Cold water stresses the plant, hindering growth. Watering during the heat of the day. Water evaporates quickly, providing minimal moisture to the roots. Lack of proper fertilization. Optimal nutrient absorption is only possible with sufficient moisture. Poor water quality. The water should not be hard or contaminated with heavy metals or other harmful substances. How to water cucumbers correctly. Use warm water. Cold water slows growth and stresses plants, potentially leading to disease. Optimal water temperature promotes active root development and improves nutrient uptake. It's best to use settled or sun-warmed water. Water in the morning or evening. Watering during the heat leads to rapid evaporation and water droplets on leaves can cause burns. Morning watering provides moisture for active growth, while evening watering allows the soil to become thoroughly saturated without the risk of overnight drying. This helps maintain optimal water balance. Water quality should be balanced. Water that is too hard or contaminated can impair nutrient absorption and negatively affect soil properties. Use purified or settled water whenever possible, especially during fertigation, fertilizing while watering. The optimal solution is drip irrigation combined with fertigation. Drip irrigation evenly moistens the root zone without excessive evaporation. Combining it with fertigation allows you to simultaneously provide plants with moisture and essential nutrients, promoting rapid growth and high yields. Why is fertilizer important when watering? Without balanced nutrition, cucumbers won't reach their full yield potential. We offer effective fertigation fertilizers that enable cucumbers to absorb moisture and nutrients at 100%. Cucumber nutrition formula: nitrogen for active leaf growth, phosphorus for root system development, potassium for sugar formation and stress resistance. Want a higher yield and greater profit? Water correctly, fertilize in a balanced way, and use only proven fertilizers.